Why is episode done after 200 time steps? Gym environment MountainCar. When using the MountainCar V0 environment from openai-gym in Python, the value done will be true after 200 time steps. Why is that? Because the goal state isn't reached, the episode shouldn't be done. I want to run the step method until the car reached the flag and then break the for loop. Is this possible? Something similar to this.
The current newest version of Gym 4 stops environment and 200 steps even if you don't choose end.monitor. To avoid this, use env equals gym.make MountainCar v0.env.
Copied from this URL. Environments are intended to have various levels of difficulty, in order to benchmark the ability of reinforcement learning agents to solve them. Many of the environments are beyond the current state of the art, so don't expect to solve all of them. If you do, please apply. If you want to experiment with a variant of an environment that behaves differently, you should give it a new name so that you won't erroneously compare your agent running on an easy variant to someone else's agent running on the original environment. For instance, the MountainCar environment is hard partly because there's a limit of 200 time steps, after which it resets to the beginning. Successful agents must solve it in less than 200 time steps. For testing purposes, you could make a new environment MountainCar MUSI version v0 with different parameters by adapting one of the calls to register found in gym/gym/in/init_.py. Because these environment names are only known to your code, you won't be able to upload it to the scoreboard.
Before the scope it out, please consider subscribing.